Welcome. Today we are going to learn about the product property of radicals, specifically focusing on how to multiply numbers under a single radical sign. This is a fundamental concept in algebra that helps in simplifying complex expressions. Here is the core rule you need to know. The square root of a times the square root of b is equal to the square root of a times b. Simply put, if you are multiplying two separate square roots, you can combine them into one single square root by multiplying the numbers inside. There is one very important condition to remember. The numbers a and b must be real, non-negative numbers. This means they can be 0 or positive, but this property does not apply directly to negative numbers in the real number system. Let's look at a simple example using perfect squares. Suppose we have the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 9. We can combine them under one radical to get the square root of 4 times 9, which is 36. The square root of 36 simplifies to 6. This property is especially useful when the individual numbers are not perfect squares. Take the square root of 2 multiplied by the square root of 8. Neither 2 nor 8 are perfect squares. However, when we multiply them under one radical, we get the square root of 16, which simplifies perfectly to 4. We can also use this rule in reverse to simplify radicals. Consider the square root of 75. It is not a perfect square, but we can break 75 into 25 times 3. Since 25 is a perfect square, we can separate it out, giving us 5 times the square root of 3. This works for variables too. The square root of x multiplied by the square root of x becomes the square root of x squared. Since the square root and the square cancel each other out, we are left with just x. Again, assuming x is non-negative. Please be careful. A very common mistake is trying to apply this rule to addition. The square root of a plus b is not equal to the square root of a plus the square root of b. This property works strictly for multiplication, never for addition. To summarize, you can multiply numbers under a single radical. Ensure your numbers are non-negative. Use this rule to simplify large radicals by factoring out perfect squares. And finally, remember that this rule does not work for addition.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.